for today is to try some type of pour through this colander on this previously used canvas. I pulled out some old paints that I had mixed up months ago, probably last year, and I just finished refreshing them. I put them through a sieve to make sure there were no lumps. And they're mixed with Floetrol and water. And I don't have the brand names of the paints because I had them labeled at one time, but when I kept putting them in other containers, I lost track of that. So my plan is to put a white base down, and I'll put that recipe in the description box. And then I'll just pour my colors into the colander. The colors I don't normally use. It's a strange combination, but I had them on hand, so I thought I'd try it out. But I do have purple, and then I mentioned the pearl white. I have two silvers, a dark silver and a lighter silver. And then I have red, some type of red, yellow, and another pearl. So for the order, I just referred to this chart that I made a while back. I didn't want to put the yellow with the dark silver because that would make mud. I didn't want to put the purple and the yellow together because that would make mud. The red and the yellow, that could create orange. So, as I always say, we shall see what happens. Well, yeah, this is a 24-inch square canvas. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below. So I knew I'd get more pearls if I tilted more paint off, but I really like this marble effect that appeared. So I decided to keep it. I was going to try to tilt this where the yellow is, because it doesn't really match the rest. But I suppose with granite, marble has different effects. And I was trying to tilt some more off this edge because there were some blank spots, but I just filled in some color, and so that looks okay there. So I really like the veins that appeared in this sort of a marbly, soft look with the pearls, the pearl whites, the 2 pearl whites that I used. So I was surprised, and then the silver too made it soft, and then that burgundy red, I'm surprised how that really created some soft effects. So it was unexpected what happened here. So I'm not going for the full pearl pour. There are some pearls, but I really like this marble effect. You just never know what will happen. And so this is using a combination of colors that I don't normally use. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Whether I should have tilted more off to make a pearl pour or just left the marble effects. Well, that's it for today. Enjoy the day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.